Hey everyone, the Unihertz 8849 Tank 4 is one of those uncommon smartphones that catches your eye right away due to its built-in projector, which is a feature that is nearly impossible to get in today's market, in addition to its enormous size and sturdy design. From the outset, it is evident that this is not your typical phone. Rather, it is a product designed for a very particular market that values durability, great usefulness, and a dash of originality. The Tank 4 features the instantly identifiable Unihertz tough aesthetic in terms of appearance. The body is unabashedly rough and industrial, combining rubber, plastic, and metal. Unquestionably heavy at 538 grams and 2.4 centimeters thick, this isn't a phone that fits in your pocket without being noticed. Highest protection criteria are met by the Tank 4, which is certified to withstand submersion, drops, extreme temperatures, and harsh environments by IP68, IP69K, and MILSTD. At the top, though, is the true showstopper, an integrated projector with laser autofocus. For something built within a phone, this is a very remarkable 720p on projector with a brightness rating of 100. You may aim it at a wall or ceiling and begin watching right away because it automatically modifies focus based on distance. The display itself, a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a brightness of up to 1,100 nits, is a nice surprise. A Dimensity 7300 processor with 5G connectivity, 12 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigs of storage power, the Tank 4. Although it isn't a gaming powerhouse, it manages everyday use well and can run popular games. However, more demanding games like Genshin Impact require lower settings. Despite reflecting a mid-range performance profile, benchmark scores are more than sufficient when paired with the device's inherent usefulness. Another important consideration is battery life. Though smaller than earlier Tank models, the Tank 4's 11,600 mAh cell is still massive when compared to other phones. It readily lasts 3 to 4 days on a charge without the use of a projector. The phone's rapid 66-watt charging speed aids in its recovery, and it can even reverse charge other gadgets at 25 watt. It has a near-stock interface and is running Android 14, while still having vital additions like NFC, Google Pay compatibility, FM radio, and a toolbox app full of useful tools for outdoor and survival scenarios. This makes it seamless and clutter-free. The camera system is decent but not particularly noteworthy. The 64 megapixels infrared night vision camera, the main 50 megapixel shooter offers good daylight shots, and the 32 megapixel selfie camera does well with portraiture. While video recording reaches its maximum at 4K 30 frames per second, stabilization is limited. In the end, the Unihertz 8849 Tank 4 is a specialized gadget. Many users find it impracticable due to its size and weight, and it won't be able to match a flagship phone in terms of gaming capabilities or camera. However, it is the best option for people who want a phone that is almost unbreakable and can be used as a flashlight, portable projector, and even a backup battery bank. It's the type of phone that allows you to watch a movie on the closest wall at the end of the day, whether you're camping, going on an adventure, or working in a hard environment. For the proper person, the Tank 4 is more than just a smartphone. It's a tough survival tool with an integrated movie theater. However, it's not for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.